What's going on? NC Dirtworks here. We're at the same place that we have been working the past few days, and we've made it to the backyard, which is good because it's in the shade a little bit more than the front yard was. But that's the main focus for today. We've got a little bit more after this part of this job, but I think the main focus today is going to be getting this done. It's going to be quite a bit of work. So I'm going to take you guys around and show you what we got going on.
All right, got a few downspouts in the back of this house to do. This one is actually on the side of this little concrete patio. We had to dig down the side of it. We're gonna bring it down through here, turn it where we will wide into this existing drain that runs down the hill. It'll all go down the hill. The water will be dispersed out into the woods and out of the yard. That's the goal.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
Here we go. So here's where we are now. We've ran an adapter there to PVC, took the gutter too. We've fixed the French drain, ran a pipe out from it. It just had stopped right here somewhere. And we ran that out to right here. And now we're gonna cover all this up to this point right here and then continue to work. We really just wanted to get out of the sun while it was still kind of cool. That's where we're at now. Right there. Okay, here's what it looks like now. We've gotten it covered back up, gotten it raked up. We're gonna sow it with grass at a later date whenever we finish this job up. We was gonna show you this part, but it's gonna take a little bit longer than we thought. So that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.